Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. Well, I got myself a new set of snowshoes. My wife bought them for me just the other day. And what I'm doing here is I'm building a sling that I can put over my shoulder and carry my snowshoes under my arm when I'm not actually wearing them. So the way it's going to work is I've made these two little straps, and they've got D-rings on the ends, and they're going to connect to a shoulder strap that has some buckles on it. It's from a laptop bag. Okay, so the idea is that I'll take this longer one of the two of them, wrap it around the snowshoes right here, and it'll provide me with two loops where I can connect this buckle to. Just like that. And on the back side, we'll take the smaller of the two, pass it through here, and again, got the two loops, two D-rings, and we'll take the other end of the strap and we'll connect these to it. Just like that. So in practice, one end of these little straps will remain connected to the big shoulder strap. And then all I have to do is pass that through and connect the other loop. So now when I'm not wearing my snowshoes, I can just sling them over my shoulder and they'll hang just like that. So that was a quick and easy thing to do, and it'll help me a lot when I'm transporting my snowshoes. So till next time, it's Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more Muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.